All right, if you want to carry some extra fuel or water or whatever on your trip when you have a Jeep or a Bronco or something with a spare tire on the back, you've probably seen these EZ Racks by Rockslide Engineering, which go really well with Rotopax. It just makes carrying fuel and something you don't normally need to carry really easy. You can just take it off when you're done and throw it in storage. But I see a lot of folks using these or mounting these in ways that I think's wrong, so I'm going to show you how I do it. All right, first things first, this thing is super long. I don't know why they make these this long. I guess you could get like a 42-inch tire or something on here, but I got 35s on this, and I cut a good 3 to 4 feet off the end of this. This will allow me to expand tires if I ever want to. I've still got a good 2.5 feet of slack here, so I can grow my tire for sure. But there's no reason to have all this. I see a lot of people, they tighten this thing up, and it's just all bunched up on the end. They ratchet this and they try to like zip tie all this in here, and it's just a bunch of extra stuff hanging here. So what I like to do is I go in the opposite way. So I loosen this up. I go in this slot first and back out on the underneath side. You really don't need a ton of slack here. That should be good. And just start tightening that up. That may have even been a little too much slack, but you get the idea. We'll just tuck the rest of that strap kind of underneath. And there, it's tightened down. There's no tail to deal with. This strap is tucked right behind here. Much cleaner way to do it. You also see that I have it mounted slightly to the side here. This is because I do pull a trailer sometimes. I just didn't want this messing with my hitch at all, so I have mine aligned over here a little bit. That's pretty much it. I just got back from a trip. 2,800 miles I put on this thing, from 500 feet elevation up to 11,000 feet elevation, across temperatures between 72 degrees down to 20 degrees. And this thing was it held tight, worked perfect. You might want to check and retighten things when it gets cold. I noticed when I dropped below 30 degrees that it was a little off, so I had to retighten it. That's it.